Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Transformer Architecture, the secret engine behind modern AI. You've seen modern AI like ChatGPT generate human-like text, summarize articles, or even write code. Behind these marvels is a groundbreaking architecture called the Transformer. Think of it as a super smart information processor that fundamentally changed how computers understand and generate human language, code, and more. It's a type of neural network, but a very special one designed to handle sequences of data like text with incredible efficiency. Imagine you're building a system to translate a long sentence. Before transformers, AI models, like RNNs or LSTMs, would read and process words strictly one after another. If the sentence was very long, by the time it got to the end, it might forget what was at the beginning. It was like trying to understand a whole conversation by only remembering the asterisk very last thing said. This made them slow, hard to train for long tasks, and bad at understanding long-range connections. Transformers introduced a revolutionary idea. Instead of processing words one by one, why not look at the asterisk entire sequence, like a whole sentence or paragraph, all at once? Think of it like a human quickly scanning an entire document to grasp the main idea and important connections, rather than painstakingly reading each word in isolation. This paradigm shift allowed them to understand context much better and process information significantly faster, especially on modern GPUs. A transformer has two main parts, like a two-stage assembly line for information. The first part is the asterisk encoder. Its job is to take your input, e.g., a sentence like "the cat sat on the mat," and turn it into a rich, abstract understanding or numerical representation. It's like a highly skilled editor reading your entire essay, highlighting key themes, connections, and meaning across all sentences, preparing it for the next stage. It learns what each word really means asterisk in the context of all other words around it. The second part is the asterisk decoder. After the encoder has processed the input and created its understanding, the decoder's job is to generate a new output based on that understanding, typically one word or token at a time. If you asked for a translation, the decoder would take the encoder's understanding of the English sentence and start generating the Spanish sentence, word by word. It's like a creative writer who takes the editor's detailed notes and crafts a brand new, coherent article based on them, always remembering what it's already written and what the original input was about. This is the asterisk secret sauce that makes transformers so powerful. Imagine you're trying to understand the sentence, "The animal didn't cross the street because it was too wide." To correctly understand what it refers to, your brain immediately connects it to the street, not the animal. Attention, specifically self-attention within the transformer, allows the model to do exactly that. For every word it processes, it can look at asterisk all other words in the input or output so far, and dynamically decide how important each of those other words is for understanding the current word. It's like having a superpower to instantly highlight and weigh the most relevant context across the entire sequence. Here's a puzzle. If the attention mechanism looks at asterisk all words at once to find connections, how does the transformer know which word came first or last? The original order is crucial for meaning. This is where asterisk positional encoding asterisk comes in. Before the words even enter the transformer, we tag each word with a special positional signal. Think of it like giving each word a unique ID that tells the system its place in the sequence, e.g., word 1, word 2, etc. This way, even though attention shuffles everything internally to find connections, The model never forgets the original sequence and can differentiate "dog bites man" from "man bites dog" by combining the encoder and decoder. Empowered by the revolutionary attention mechanism and positional encoding, the transformer became an incredibly powerful and flexible architecture. It's the core technology behind almost every major breakthrough in generative AI. From ChatGPT's amazing conversational abilities to systems that write code, summarize documents, or even generate realistic images, its ability to handle long sequences and understand context deeply has truly unlocked the next generation of AI applications for developers like us, setting the blueprint for large language models, LLMs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.